Hey guys, my name is Ivan Camilo Jaramillo.
I am Alexis Cordes.
Tonight we are going to show you how assemble and disassemble Jericho double M.
This weapon is semi-automatic system. Jericho 941, 9mm. Some people call Baby Eagle. This weapon is the double system and single system. Now disassemble the weapon. First, remove to the magazine. One. With the pistol completely unloaded, move the safety to the fire position and manually move the hammer to the cocked position. 2. Push the slide to the rear until to the mark at the rear end of the slide is just above the mark of the frame. 3. While holding to the pistol in that position, remove to the slide catch lever by pushing the pin of the lever of the position side of the frame. 4. Pull the slide from the frame. 5. Remove to the recoil spring from the housing under the barrel. 6. Remove to the barrel from the slide. Now, assembling the pistol. 1. Insert the barrel in the slide into this remove position. 2. Insert recoil spring, making sure that this is recurrently fitted into the receipts in the bottom lug of the barrel. 3. Manually cock the hammer. 4. Mount the slide of the frame and the pushing of the rear until the marks are in the line. And what about the order? Then insert the slide catch pin until the snap into place. 5. Check it correct pistol operation by cocking it. 6. Check trigger and hammer operation and verify and the safety and functioning properly and safely. Okay guys, this is all. Good night.
Good night.